Thailand's political landscape has once again been shaken after the country's Supreme Court ruled that former Prime Minister and billionaire businessman Thaksin Shinawatra must serve 1 year in jail. The court delivered its verdict on Tuesday, declaring that Thaksin's detention in a VIP wing of a hospital instead of an actual prison facility was unlawful. This marks yet another major blow for the powerful Shinawatra family, which has dominated Thai politics for more than 2 decades. A Reuters reporter present at the verdict confirmed that the court ordered Thaksin to be taken into custody immediately following the decision. Thaksin Shinawatra, who rose to power in the early 2000s, remains one of the most controversial and influential figures in Thailand's modern political history. His populist policies earned him strong support among the rural and working-class population, but he was also accused of corruption, abuse of power, and undermining democratic institutions. In 2006, Thaksin was ousted in a military coup while he was abroad. Since then, his political influence has endured through his parties and family members, despite repeated efforts by the military-backed establishment and judiciary to curb his power. The latest ruling highlights the ongoing struggle between Thailand's political elites and the judiciary. Thaksin returned to Thailand last year after spending more than 15 years mostly in self-imposed exile. Upon his return, he was expected to serve a prison sentence linked to past corruption convictions. However, his immediate transfer from prison to a private hospital under claims of health concerns drew criticism. Many opponents accused the authorities of granting him special treatment and undermining the rule of law. The Supreme Court has now sided with those critics, ruling that the transfer was unlawful and reaffirming that no individual should be above the law, regardless of status or influence. The decision comes at a delicate time for Thai politics. Thaksin's daughter, Paetongtarn Shinawatra, currently leads the Pheu Thai Party, which is a key force in the coalition government. The party has long been associated with the Shinawatra family's populist brand of politics and continues to command a loyal voter base. However, the ruling against Thaksin could complicate matters for the family's political legacy, creating both legal and political challenges. Observers believe the move may also reflect pressure from conservative and royalist forces who view the Shinawatras as a threat to the country's traditional power structures. Reactions to the court's decision are already being closely watched. Supporters of Thaksin may see this as yet another attempt to suppress his influence through judicial means rather than democratic processes. Meanwhile, critics argue that this ruling is necessary to uphold accountability and to demonstrate that even the most powerful figures cannot evade justice. The coming days will reveal whether the verdict will spark fresh protests, political instability, or renewed negotiations within the government. For now, Thaksin Shinawatra faces the prospect of serving time behind bars after years of maneuvering through the complex power struggles that have defined Thai politics. His fall from a hospital VIP suite to a prison cell symbolizes the persistent and unresolved tensions that continue to shape Thailand's political future.